Guangxi Yuchai Machinery Company Limited, the largest independent internal combustion engine manufacturer in China, is committed to supplying reliable engines so as to be the prestige enterprise. We provide one of the most comprehensive product lines of diesel and gas engines, hybrid power and electric systems. To satisfy the market demands, we cover the power range from 15 to 4200 kilowatt. Yuchai has one of the largest advanced foundry centers in Asia, the most efficient and precise machining centers and assembly lines and testing benches. Our production capacity is more than 700,000 engines annually. We are capable to provide quality engines for trucks, buses, construction and agricultural machinery, marine and power generation. We strive for supplying strong power to pushing forward the economic growth of China as well as the rest of the world. With the 10 engine families providing full range of engines, Yuchai is dedicated to providing superior power for marine and power generation applications. Yuchai marine engines are widely serving marine facilities, cargo and construction ships, official and passenger boats, yachts, fishing ships, etc. Furthermore, Yuchai G-Drive engines are mostly welcome in power generation for data centers, telecom, oil and gas, mining, China railway system, animal husbandry, public utility, and so on. Yuchai has research and development centers in Yulin, Nanning, and Europe, which been collaborating with more than 40 design and research institutes, backed up by more than 1,300 engineers and researchers worldwide. Yuchai Marine and G-Drive engines have been incorporated with the latest cutting-edge technologies, such as compact design concept, reliability enhancement technology, effective green combustion and after-treatment, AI control system, etc. The highly reliable design concept of the marine engines characterizes their longer lifetime and more maintenance-friendly. Meanwhile, our advanced electronic fuel injection technology guarantees the excellent performance in emissions and fuel consumption. Yuchai marine engines comply with IMO Tier 3 International Emission Standard, CCNR2 in European inland rivers, Shipping Emission Standard in China, Stage 2, and have been certified by the world's top 10 classification societies. Yuchai G-Drive engines adopt International Advanced Electronically Controlled High-Pressure Common Rail System, which are featured with high power density, strong sudden loading capacity, short response time, high security and durability, energy saving, and being environmentally friendly, with various product indicators reaching the international first-class level. The engines meet the requirements of China's non-road T4 and European EU Stage 5 emission regulations, and have passed the EU CE certification and China Telecom Industry TCL certification, and are suitable for a variety of occasions requiring demanding power guarantee. In the marine industry, Yuchai marine engines are fuel efficient and credible, providing customers with efficient power output and continuously creating economic value. In high-speed ships, Yuchai's special high-speed marine engines meet the power demands of tourist boats, passenger boats, yachts, and official boats. On marine equipment and construction vessels, Yuchai marine engines provide a mighty power heart for construction with reliable quality. In power generation, the stably run Yuchai G-Drive engines provide customers with the best and reliable power. In the communications industry, Yuchai G-Drive engines provide stable power protection for China Mobile, China Telecom, data center, and operating base stations. On the desolate Gobi Desert, Yuchai G-Drive engines have provided stable power supply for oil and gas drilling platform and become trustworthy friends of oil and gas workers from summer to winter. On the snow-covered plateau, at an altitude of over 5,000 meters. Yuchai's G-Drive engines have withstood the challenge of severe cold and continue to provide a safe guarantee for power demands of Tibetan in winter. In China's breeding and animal husbandry large enterprise groups, Yuchai G-Drive engines have always provided the high-quality power supply. In the urban power supply system, whether in large airports, hospitals, hotels, schools, commercial centers, buildings, and other places, Yuchai G-Drives work silently and stick to provide the last power safety defense line for urban residents. Profession solidifies brand, and service creates values. Yuchai has established an international warranty service model, integrating product sale, application development, after-sales service, and part sale. 48 offices, 169 service agents, over 3,000 service stations, and more than 5,000 parts sales outlets have been founded around the world, with a view to offering every Yuchai Marine and G-Drive engines user in the world innovation never stops and dreams forward. Standing at a new historical starting position, Yuchai will follow the national One Belt and One Road initiative, focus on R&D innovation, manufacturing innovation, intelligent manufacturing, and build a first-class intelligent factory, enabling Yuchai's high-end power brand to maintain the leading position in the industry. With the spirit of renovation and innovation, Yuchai has used its ingenuity to create heavy machines for the great power, led by high-end Marine and G-Drive engines with excellence to serve the global customers wholeheartedly and fought unremittingly for becoming a world first-class enterprise. Superior power. Global Yuchai.